Hi, I'm Steven, Student Advisor from TRSM Student Advising. In this video, we will talk about how to enroll in your courses. There are 3 types of enrollment dates that will allow you to build your academic schedule: course intentions, priority enrollment, and open enrollment dates. Course intentions is the process where you indicate the courses you wish to take in the upcoming academic year via RAMSS. This course intentions process always occurs in early to mid-March. Following this period, there is also an opportunity later in the spring for students to make changes or additions known as the course intention adjustment period. If you participated in course intentions, the courses submitted will be used to build a timetable subject to availability, space, and program. Students are given the option when participating in courses through course intentions for fall only, winter only, or fall and winter. This timetable will be viewable prior to priority enrollment and open enrollment dates for each semester that you participated in. If you did not participate in course intentions, you will have to wait until the open enrollment period and will be required to add your courses manually. Participation in the course intentions process is now mandatory for all full-time undergraduate students in the Ted Rogers School of Management. What is the difference between priority enrollment appointments and open enrollment? Priority enrollment appointment dates apply to students who have completed their course intentions and already have received a timetable for their upcoming semester. These dates usually take place in early August and are assigned based on your program, delivery, full-time or part-time, and year level. Open enrollment dates are for students who have not completed their course intentions and therefore do not yet have a schedule. Open enrollment period takes place after priority enrollment, usually in late August. First, let's take a closer look at priority enrollment dates. The priority enrollment appointment dates indicate when students who have completed course intentions can make changes to their class schedule. For example, this is when you can add classes, drop classes, or swap classes. Open enrollment is a period of time when enrollment is open to all students. During this time, you can enroll in courses regardless of your program year, and even if you did not complete course intentions. Now that you know the difference between priority and open enrollment dates, we will talk about how to check for the start of your enrollment date and open enrollment. Once you have logged into your RAMSS account via my.ryerson.ca, you will have a couple of options here, such as Manage Classes. Here, you are able to view your enrollment dates, search for a class and enroll by adding classes, dropping classes, or swapping classes, add or drop from your shopping cart, and view your weekly schedule. Pro tip: check your academic advisement report during course intentions and enrollment periods to guide you on your course planning. Your advisement report can also be found on RAMSS. See the description box for a link on a video telling you how and what your advisement report can be used for. That covers the difference between priority and open enrollment dates and where to find them. Please note that this is our second video in our enrollment cycle video series. If you have not watched our first video on keeping track of important dates, we encourage you to watch that video next. The video is linked in the description box below. We hope this video has helped you manage important dates in the enrollment process. Thanks for stopping by.